People, it's me, Kinghuman. Listen up. You want to make some quick, fast money, absolutely free, no cost to you. Watch this video to the end. Make your comments. It's going to be cool. Check it out. Okay, this is what's doing. If you want to make some quick cash, here's a way to do it that most people don't even know about. It's quick, it's easy, it's free, and you can make a quick $100. All you have to do is author a list. What am I talking about? There are people that create lists of interesting things. The 10 most interesting ways to tie your shoe, or I don't know. I'll give you a reference in a minute, but believe it or not, there is a place, there is a house, a clearinghouse online that will pay you $100 for your interesting, humorous, engaging list. Now, it's called Listverse, and I'll put a link to it down there to the page that explains what's going on. And basically, they buy lists and they use it for content. They'll pay you $100 per list. It's quick and easy. Take a look. Okay, here's Listverse. Let's take a quick look. As you can see right here, get paid $100 to write a simple list. And if you come here, and I'll put a link below this video, do you want to earn money online? Listverse was built on the efforts of readers just like you, readers who didn't have any experience as writers, but decided to put a list together and send it in. So here's the deal. We'll pay you $100 for your efforts. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to have English equal to that of a native speaker and a sense of humor, or a love for things unusual and interesting. It works like this. You write your list, 10 items per list minimum. You send it in. We reply saying, great, we'll publish it, and we send you $100 via PayPal. So anyway, here are the rules. Here's what's going on. Again, follow the link and you'll find out what's doing. But if you go to Listverse, and you don't need to follow my link, just go to Listverse. And for example, let me click weird stuff, and we'll see an example of some of these lists that got bought, like this one. Weird stuff. 10 strange but true cases involving scarecrows. Stuff like this. And you get paid $100. Is that pretty simple or what? Okay, boom goes dynamite, right? Come here, study this, come up with your own list. They have to be your own. You can't go out and steal. You know, you have to generate this stuff out of your own brain. So put a little bit of thought behind something, put it into a list, add some images, submit it to Listverse, and you got $100 that you didn't have a minute ago. Quick, easy, simple, quick money. Okay, get on it. Okay, there it is. Something you never knew of, something you never thought of, right? Quick and easy way to make some quick cash. Now, what are you going to do with that quick cash? Invest it in yourself. And I suggest you use a little bit of that $100 and join my website, thekinghumanelite.com, and learn how to make money on demand. And I'm talking about big money. All right, go away, you bother me. Do it, don't do it, I don't care. Donate a few bucks to help a sick kid at St. Jude's Research Hospital for Kids. What could be better? Oh, no, nothing. Okay, go away. You're annoying me. Don't bug me. Don't yank my crank. And comment below. Go away. Oh, and share this video. You punk!